In today's video, we're going to show you how you can import and add custom fonts into CapCut for your PC, laptop, or MacBook devices. Custom fonts are pretty useful if you're creating eye-catching titles, informative captions, or stylish overlays, and the process of adding them is really easy, so just follow my steps. The first thing that we'll do is to open any web browser and go over to google.com. Now our job is to download the custom fonts which we want to use in CapCut onto our computer. You can download the font from any website, and the website which I will use is called Dafont, and I will leave this website link in the description down below so you can open it from there. So after you open the website, it's going to look something like this, and you can select between different font styles like comic, cartoon, old school, western, and many more fonts. So just select any of the styles, and then you want to find a font which you would like to use in CapCut. I'm going to select the Western style because I want to use it for my project. And then you can see a lot of different cool fonts. When you find a font which you want to use, just tap on this download option at the right side of your screen, and the font will now be downloaded to your computer. So the next step that you want to do is to find the downloaded file on your computer, and that depends on the location on where your web browser saves the downloaded files. Mine is in the Downloads folder on my computer, but yours may be in another location, but just make sure you find the downloaded file. Here is my font which I've downloaded, and we now have to extract this file because it's compressed, so I'll right-click on this and then tap on Extract All. My font is now extracted, and I can then open the folder where I can see all these different fonts and options. What we now need to do is to install this font onto our system, and that's how we will be able to use it in CapCut later on. So in order to install this font on our Windows or Mac device, we just have to find the OpenType font file right here, and then double-click on it to open it. That is going to open this window where you'll be able to see a preview of the font and how it looks like in different sizes. But we want to tap on this Install button at the top of the window, and it will take a second or two until the font installs onto your computer. If you've done this step, the last thing that we want to do is to exit our CapCut application completely and then reopen it. So we will have to restart CapCut in order for the font to appear in our application and for our changes to be applied. So I'll now add a new text layer in my project as I normally would, and then I'll open the font list. Since this is a new system font which we've downloaded, we're going to scroll all the way down on this list until you can see the system font option. When you get here, you're going to see the new font which you've downloaded from the internet, and you can now start using it. My font was called Buffalo Inline, and here it is, so I'll select it. And that's essentially how you can add and import custom fonts in CapCut for your PC or Mac.